Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2009 Honda Goldwing with 25,605 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a Lehman Monarch II TRIKE kit, a vented windshield, driving lights, highway pegs, and a trunk spoiler. From Honda, it comes equipped with a multifunction 4-speaker stereo system, reverse, cruise control, heated grips and seats, and CB intercom connections. We have also installed a new front tire on this TRIKE. Honda set the bar high for metric baggers with the Goldwing, delivering hardy performance and premium comfort. In TRIKE form, the Goldwing offers the same thrills and rider experience, just on the stability of 3 wheels. Powered by an 1832cc flat-6 fuel-injected motor with a 5-speed transmission, the Goldwing produces an impressive 123 foot-pounds of torque and 116 horsepower. In stock form, it weighs in at 919 pounds and has a seat height of 29.1 inches. This vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and comes with a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.